Welcome back to my channel. Last weekend, I went on a fall getaway to Lancaster County, Pennsylvania. Lititz is the home to the first pretzel factory in the United States. And next door is Whiff Roasters, which is a locally roasted coffee factory, and they have the best stuff. I strolled around the streets for hours because everything in Lititz is so picturesque. I actually stayed at the old chocolate factory, which is now a Hilton Hotel, and I thought that's a great piece of history.
Yep, there's Jeffrey.
Hey, Jeffrey. After hanging out at the park, I winded down, had some room service, and the next day I went to the chocolate factory, then headed home.